In this question, you're asked to factorize 6x square minus 5xy plus y square is equal to 0 into two lines. This is a homogeneous equation, so this is very easy to factorize. You can factorize it by assuming this as a quadratic. So first what I say is, let y is equal to mx satisfy this equation. Let y is equal to mx satisfy this equation. This implies y by x is equal to m. Now let me divide the whole equation with x square. So you get 6 minus 5y by x plus y by x whole square is equal to 0. So by my assumption, y by x is assumed as m. So m square minus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. This can be very easily factorized into m minus 2 times m minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies m is equal to 2 or 3. M is equal to either 2 or 3. So this implies the lines are y is equal to 3x or y is equal to 2x. So these are the equations of lines which make up this equation. Thank you.